There was a couple's, where they stands, their faces flushed with anger and frustration. The woman, Sarah, flings her hands in the air, her voice rising in pitch, overlapping with the man's, Tom's, defensive tone. Disjointed words echo in the room. You never listen. You don't understand. Tension fills the air like a thundercloud about to burst, while the background music hums with an intense, almost dissonant melody. As their argument crescendos, frustration peaks, a clipped silence follows. They retreat to opposite sides of the room. Captures their sullen expressions, both staring out of the window, lost in thought. There's a void between them, a chilly distance reflected in the cold tones of the setting sun filtering through the blinds. Misunderstood. A series of shots ensue, capturing mundane moments that highlight their disconnection. Tom at work, gazing blankly at his computer screen. Sarah in the kitchen, mindlessly stirring a cup of tea. A visual metaphor manifests as parallel shots show them side by side, yet appearing worlds apart. The lighting gradually warms, with candles flickering softly. Sarah is seen gently tapping Tom's shoulder, initiating a conversation at the kitchen table. Focuses on their hands resting closely, then moves to capture the shift in their expressions from guarded to open. There's a better way to talk. Sincere exchanges between the couple. Tom pauses more, listening earnestly as Sarah shares her feelings. Sarah nods, absorbing Tom's words, reflecting understanding and compassion. While shadows retreat, symbolizing their emotional thawing. In a joyous sunlit scene, they're seen laughing together on a park bench, holding hands, sharing glimpses and smiles. The music swells with uplifting strings as they stand, facing each other, gazing with renewed affection. With the couple sharing a tender hug, it's an embrace of mutual respect and love, signifying their journey to rediscover their bond. Rebuild your connection. The screen fades to black, leaving viewers with the resonant chords of hopeful music and a sense of fulfillment and optimism about love's enduring power.